What's up, guys? So today I'm making a special video and I have a special guest, my sister Claudia. Hey, if you want to check out her channel, here's the link. It's Tweety Claudia Fuenmayor. Yeah, it's pretty cool. She does a bunch of different stuff from vlogs to
fashion,
fitness,
hair,
a little bit of everything.
Yeah, basically.
So since it's back to school season, we are bringing you a special recipe. We're gonna teach you how to create these super yummy gummies that are made out of coffee, so it's the perfect amount of energy you need when you're crushing through like exam season, assignments and all of that.
And you don't want to have a coffee. I usually don't drink coffee. Just the taste of it, I don't like it. But this right here, like you can just take it so easily and it's so yummy. Here you go.
They're perfect. So, yeah, you're only gonna need like 2 ingredients, so we're gonna show you how to do it. Let's go check it out. So guys, this was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to give us your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel
And my channel.
and her channel. And yeah, we are a little bit wired up after eating so many gummies.
We had so many, like you don't get it.
It's
we had
like
so
10,
many.
like everything's just like shaking right now.
And she also made me an iced coffee. I don't know why, like it was delicious because she put like little ice cubes with like coffee in it, so it was even worse. And I'm about to like pass out right now.
Yeah.
This is why I don't drink coffee.
Yeah,
That's
we
why you're not
don't-
supposed to drink coffee.
We don't drink coffee very often,
No.
so when we do, it hits us.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks so much guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.